Magandang araw sa ating mga kainday, kaibigan, kakilala, kagrupo, at kaaway. Joke lang. Nandito tayo ngayon sa The Fun Farm sa Santa Elena, Laguna. Miss Lisa Cups, tama ba ako? This one is the place, one of the place in your area, and this one is so easy to go and also for family. But kahit na pang pamilya siya, I will make it sure that the kids will love it. Kasi may mga animals siya. So, farm means, syempre, mostly halaman and animals. But this one, they mostly focus on the animals. Pero masasabi mo rin naman na they love plants too, but in a different way, like trees. They preserve trees and flowers. And ang maganda rito sa area na to is hindi mahirap magbayad. Because now, alam naman natin na everything is in technology, like GCash and some other kinds of payment na mabilis lang. At ang maganda rito, guys, pagpasok nyo pa lang, makikita nyo yung mga puno na may mga pangalan. Nilagyan talaga nila ng mga pangalan, so it become educational. Especially now sa mga kids na parang they don't know what kinds of trees. They know trees, but they don't know what is the specific name of every trees, no, yung variety nila. And even the flowers, no, they put the name of it. And ang maganda rito, makikita mo rin na walang kalat at may mga basurahan sa bawat sulok nito. At ang CR niya, no, mga kaaway, este kaibigan ko dyan, napakaganda, napakalinis, at maayos na maayos. At dito rin, makikita nyo na medyo basa yung daan dahil bago kami dumating ay katatapos lang ng ulan. The best dito, pagpasok nyo pa lang, may mga idea ka na kung ano yung makikita mo, no? At iyan nga, guys, meron ditong sand house, no? Kung saan pambata na pwedeng pupuntahin yung mga bata and they are safe to play there. Except syempre kung mga toddler pa lang, you need to guide. But kung mga 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, maybe they can handle it. Kasi may parang mga bars or may mga akyatan na gawa sa lubid, something like that. And I want the idea of them na naglalagay sila ng mga quotes about nature, no? And makikita mo siya in every part na mahalaman. Yan, nakikita nyo naman. And ma-appreciate mo talaga because some other kinds of plants and kinds of flowers, also the trees, no, hindi rin ako familiar. Even me, no, I am old. But then here, I see it, no. And makikita mo talagang preserve nila yung ganda ng nature, yung pagiging original nito, nag-upgrade lang sila ng konti. Dito, guys, malalaman nyo na talagang fresh lahat, the air. You will know the air in the Manila or in the city than here. Kasi dito, ang sarap lang hapin. Alam mo yung kahit odorless siya, wala siyang amoy, masarap siyang nanghapin, parang sweet pa rin siya because you will smell the smell of grass, the smell of leaves, especially when there is a air, no? Kasi kapag malakas na, o, di ba? So, yun. And the best thing din dito is kahit saan ka pumunta, meron siyang parang, may isa lang silang highlight. Yan. Yang nakikita nyo na yan, maganda dyan. Kumbaga, isang malaki yan na maraming table, maraming chair. So, yun yung isang pinakamaganda. But kahit saan ka pumunta, merong parang nilagay silang mga bahay kubo type. Pero, syempre, yero na yung bubong nun. And which is, you can stay and put things there. Pero, you know, kahit na 3 beses na kami nakapunta dito, our things is always safe. We put it on 1 table, 2 tables, something like that, and we never lost a thing, no? Kasi mababait yung mga staff nila, and let's say you can trust them, no? Napakababait nila. And yun nga, sa bungad pa lang, alam mo na agad na napaka-peaceful, no? Yun naman yung importante, peaceful. Kasi yung sound ng bird, no? Yun yung the best. Kasi alam naman natin na yung Maya or Sparrow, madalas na nakatira sa mga like house or sa mga city, you will hear them and you will recognize them if they are Sparrow. This one, the different kinds of the natural bird from the forest or like wild, you will hear it here, no? At ayan na nga, at ang tataas ng puno dito, yun talaga yun, sobrang tataas. At ayan nga, even the old one, yan, you know, yung imbakan yan, di ba? Yung mga sinauna, yan, nandyan din. Sobrang ganda niya, guys, as in ang sarap ng feeling nung nakarating kami dito kasi hindi ka makakaramdam ng sobrang pagod kahit sobrang dami rin ng activities. But guess what ha? Wala masyadong pagkain dito. But then, there is a emergency food, like mga light food. For example, a Coke, mga light food like drinks, yan, meron naman, pero hindi talaga yung kagaya ng kanin pag nagutom ka. But then, hindi ka naman magugutom kasi meron naman silang mga snacks, yun. Meron din ditong sobrang lapit na restaurant, Rico yung pangalan, pero I doubt na medyo mahirap yata siyang mag-book. Kasi ang alam ko, you need to book advance kasi mostly yung restaurant nila, according to my boss, is always fully. No? So, yun. But, hindi mo naman na kailangan siguro ng sobrang daming pagkain once you're here. You can take your own lunch or food kasi wala namang bawal dito. You can bring your water, take some rice, etc. Kasi you can eat eh. Maganda nga yung area eh, as in everything is here na, bago-baon ka na lang, you can spend the whole day of here. I'm sure kung nature lover ka, you will feel so blessed once you are here. Kasi mas ma-appreciate mo siya. Yung climate niya, na kahit, kasi dito, nung summer nung alaga ko una, dito kami nag-celebrate for the parang parent and the kids. No? They go here outing and init talaga, sobrang init talaga kasi summer, but then once we land here, hindi namin maramdaman because of the trees, it gives shades, tapos kapag sobrang may hangin lang na kaunti, sobrang lamig niya. So dito kahit na mainit, di kami masyadong nag-sweat at talaga namang napaka-fresh pa rin ng air. May mga hayop din dito, may mga kalabaw na kung saan pwede kayo mag-ride, parang sa probinsya type. Meron ng parang kalesa type, pero mas marami lang ang naisasakay sa likod niya. Hihilahin ka ng kalabaw, yan, yung ating national animals. And marami silang horse dito. Before, ang dami lang horse na malawak kasi yung kulungan ng horse, but now they remove some. May iniwan lang silang dalawang parang pony kalaki. And yung horse nila na dalawa rin na brown and white is the one na po pwedeng i-ride ng mga tao. And isang kalabaw na pwedeng i-ride ng tao. And meron sila ditong zip lining. And marami din silang pwedeng animals na i-feed, kagaya ng guinea pig, rabbit, and some sheep, and also fish, feeding of the fish. And yung malalaking turquoise ba yun? O, yan yun. Yung malalaking parang pagong, yun. So, marami kang pwedeng gawing activities and the kids will also enjoy it, no? At hindi ka matatakot na yung mga bata mag-explore, except syempre doon sa may fish pond area. Pero kung malaki na yung bata, like alaga ko, okay na din. Kaya tara na, sulit